Okay, nanobabaw kabalan, kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Louis Season keng Ningwern, Pampanga. Today is Chinese New Year and acho kami ngayon keng Quest Plus Conference Center or apin po ining Mimosa Philinvest Plus Chinese New Year celebration with Mekeni Live. So actually Mekeni Live consists of I think 9 live stations wherein you can eat a lot of food. Now today's a little bit special since Chinese New Year pin. So they got a lot of add-ons. So nung buriyo pong akit nung namin pamangan Kenny, kabayan nyo ko po. No diet today, man. So this is my first plate, guys. Okay, so abi tayo Ma'am Renzel, marketing manager. Anyway, so akay abi tayo king table tamo. Kasi sobrang dakal pa mga Kenny. So yan turo kaya katamo na ano laring must have. Tell us more about Mekeni Live.
So Mekeni Live, yung concept na ng Mekeni Live is our feature really is the 9 live stations that you can see here at Mekeni Live. We are promoting sisig station, Pansit Luglug station, so we're very Kapampangan-centric in a way. Pero of course, we still have the Western station, we have the Japanese station, we have the Chinese, at madami pa. Like, kunwari, it's very interactive.
Yeah.
So we call it live because you can grill whatever you want. There are fresh seafoods around. Tapos, you can ask for, kunwari, a pasta. You want aglio olio na super spicy. The chefs can actually do those for you. So, that's the concept of
I see.
live.
So each live stations, may mga chef assign tayo,
Yes.
then they can assist you whatever you want.
Yes.
So to start, what do you recommend?
Of course, we start with the sisig.
Start
So
with
you
the
have
sisig?
3 choices. It's gonna be tuna, pork, or chicken. So
Okay.
it's your choice.
Alright, so let's go to the sisig station. Okay, so we're starting with sisig and tempura station. So of course, Kapampangan is well known for our sisig, guys. So, proud Kapampangan. Leventala. Actually, Ma'am Renzel, in order me is chicken sisig.
Yes, healthy.
Less guilt, kunwari. Kasi, kumatakan mo yung pinandit kong lechon.
Awa. Gusto ita, sige.
Let's travel the world. So, ating fresh seafood station. So, either you ask them to grill your seafood. So this one is their salad station. Diet. Kunwari diet. So this station here is their noodles and dim sum station. You know. What for noodles? Ano masarap?
Pili na lang sa mga gusto sa pwedeng iba-iba po yung soup niya.
Iba-iba yung soup.
Chicken, may seafood, may beef.
Amazing. Sige, kuha tayo mamaya. This section right here is their grilling station, I think. So you have fresh fish, tuna, pork, barbecue, chicken, and then you order some, you get some, and then give it to the chef. Luto depo. Special niya egg. With egg, it's always special. Arigato, this is the Japanese station. Arigato. Sashimi is life. So this is my first plate, guys. This is my first plate. Syempre, medyo paano muna tayo, pakonti-konti muna. Okay, this is the best part. It's eating time. We're in Pampanga starter pack plate. So I have tuna, sushi. This is mango salad tuna. Fresh pa rin yan. And then this is snapper and paku chicken sisig. Okay, so with me of course is my man Mark.
So here,
Ma'am Renzel.
si Gian is coming in.
Wow!
Survey. Here's our isang salad.
Okay.
Isang salad.
Gisang salad? So that's what?
Yisang symbolizes prosperity. So each ingredient symbolizes love, money, prosperity, and peace.
There you
So
go.
here we have the hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce. So ito yung traditional Chinese ano nila, vegetable tossing parang ganun.
Yes,
And
salad
then the
tossing.
sesame
From the
5 spices. Talagang nakaampaw no, ma'am? 5 spices.
You have your chopsticks and toss the salad. You can stand up if find it
Alright, so the higher you toss the salad daw, it's the higher the prosperity you will receive. So, yeah.
Gong Xi Fa Cai.
Thank you, Gian.
Thank you. The higher you toss it. Thank you. Oops. Whoa, look at that. It's a ship or a boat of
Sushi
Japanese
sashimi
sushi.
boat.
Thank you so much, Chef Martin.
Happy New Year, Gong Hei Fat
Gong Xi Fa Cai. Thank you po.
Thank you, Chef.
Tama na, look. Look. We're not gonna stand kasi meron na tayong ano. Food comes to you.
There's a boat who sailed here.
There you go. Mango gelato.
Favorite ko can blueberry. Kahit ang black chocolate.
I think a blueberry. Parang tingin dito.
Blueberry na.
Tama tayo.
Yung kay
Blueberry
ano yung
cheesecake.
pistachio yun?
Okay.
Pistachio, tapos blueberry.
Wow. Wow.
Tsaka it's gelato, so it's not that sinful. Diba? I beg to disagree.
Disagree? Kasi po may parakal na ka talaga kanina eh.
And 12 flavors.
They got 12 flavors of gelato ice cream. So when you go here, make sure to have an empty stomach and medyo may practice ka. Medyo stretch mo yung bagay yung stomach wall mo. Talagang enjoy mo lang din pa mga din. Para sobrang kadakal, mo balo ng pilihan. Grabe. There she is.
How's the food?
Pagod ka, no?
Sinabayan niya ba?
Parang sumayaw ka rin eh.
Sumayaw kayo.
Sinabayan niya yung dragon. Upo ka, let's eat.
So finally, kakain na rin si Ma'am Renzel. First of all, thank you so much McKenny Live for inviting us dito po sa Quest Plus. And so for a price of 1,250, what do you get? So you get a lot of food. So they got 9 stations of different food varieties. So of course may local, may international. Ang price mo nito is 1,250 on a regular day. So right now it's Chinese New Year special. So may mga add-ons po tayo dito. So it's a little bit higher price. Pero on a regular day, for a price of 1,250, wow, grabe. Try to get a bit of, a little bit of everything para matingman mo lahat. So yun guys, thank you for watching here in Pampanga. If you like this video, if you want to experience McKenny Live, please share this with your friends. Also, please like our fan page, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Until our next video. Bye! Alright. Wow! Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Ma'am Chanel. Renzel, thank you. Of course, anytime. Quest pa, hindi namin pupuntahan, di ba? Grabe naman, ang choosy ko naman pag di pa ako pupunta dito, di ba? Anyway, thanks guys, bye!